Hello and welcome to another CLD preparation video on LabVIEW Advantage. From today, we'll be beginning the daily CLD forum question answer series. First of all, I would like to thank Circo Steve B from NI Forum, who is also the LabVIEW champion, to create and maintain such an amazing blog to help the community of LabVIEW developers. So from today, I'll be continuing with all the questions from the daily CLD, and I'll give the solution and then I'll explain why it is so. So let's begin. So the question is, what are the contents of cluster out following execution of VI? You can pause the video and try to answer the following. I'll tell you the solution in a moment. So here, as you can see, we have a variant array into the left hand side which has been updated by building an array. So the output of that one is the 2D array, and from the 2D array we are using the index array to read the data out and then using the variant to data converter VI to receive the data. To understand how the variant works, please go to another video, how to use variant in LabVIEW Advantage itself. So if we run this VI in this particular problem, we'll see that the answer will be D. The variant accommodates any kind of data type and can be retrieved back by using the variant to data function. Please like, share and comment on this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for future LabVIEW videos. I'll see you next on the another CLD preparation video.